In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install all the necessary drivers for your new Windows 11 LTSC installation. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If you've just installed Windows 11 LTSC on your computer or laptop, you'll need to install the latest drivers for all your hardware to work correctly. I will show you exactly how to do that. First, open your browser and search for Driver Booster. Open the first link and make sure it is the official website, which is iobit.com. Scroll down the page and click on Free Download. The setup file will be downloaded. Click on it to start the installation and click Yes on the security prompt. Now this is very important. Click on Custom Install. Uncheck all of these boxes and then click Install. During the process, you may get this offer. Click on Decline. The installation process will now begin. This may take some time depending on your hardware. Once it's done, uncheck this option here and then click on Scan Now. Driver Booster will now scan your system and find any outdated drivers you have, or any drivers that are not installed on your computer. After the scan is complete, you can just click Update Now. Click OK on the confirmation prompt, and then OK again. Driver Booster will now download and install all the necessary drivers automatically. After the drivers are installed, it is highly advisable to go and restart your computer, and that's it. When your computer boots back up, you will find all your drivers installed and working correctly.